terminology of I am hands-on. I feel like that character of, you know, not of detaching is currently being hidden under the term
Hands-on,
hands-on.
all right.
Is it? Could it be
To some extent,
because
but you see, every particular concept is how exactly you perceive it. Because for me, I feel in business you have to be hands-on, but your hands-on, what exactly it is your hands touching on?
they need to have
Yeah, no, it
limits?
depends. You know, hands-on, it depends what's your hand on. If your hands is still on the small things, yes, you may call yourself hands-on, but you're not being effectively hands-on. But if you're hands-on on strategic initiatives, if you're hands-on in terms of growth, see, it's a different kinds of hands-on because your game is different. So as a business, you need to be hands-on, but you ask yourself, where exactly is it are my hands on? Because if your hands are on the wrong thing, you'll not get the right results.
Okay.
Because there are CEOs who are hands on, but they're hands on. Let's say Dr. James Mwangi of Equity. He's hands on, but you can see where his hands are on the growth that Equity has experienced. A small entrepreneur is also hands on, but where the hands are on, it's not as efficient and beneficial to the business as compared to probably someone like Dr. James Mwangi who handles Equity. So it depends. It's important to be hands-on, but always ask yourself, where are my hands on?
And
Yes.
what exactly I'm touching.